Water purification. Water piping installed. Correcting plumbing dilations. Water testing. Water piping repaired. Energy-saving burners installed. Install new faucets. Electric to gas conversions.
Here we go.
Outdoor spigots installed.